Potpourri of Songs. Once there was a gentleman. He was always ridiculed as he had a giant hump on his back. Once he was out in the forest at a late hour. He saw a hut and decided to spend the night there. The little hut was ghostly and dark. To make it less frightening, the man decided to sing a song. Hearing his song, the goblins came there. The goblins were curious to know how the gentleman's voice sounded so melodious. He told them that his hump was in reality a potpourri of songs. The goblins offered the man a box of treasure in exchange for his hump. He agreed, and the goblins easily removed the hump from his back. The next day, everyone was surprised to see that the gentleman's hump had disappeared. Another man with a hump on his back also wanted to know how his hump disappeared. The gentleman told him about the goblins. So, the second man with the hump decided to trick the goblins for the treasure. Unfortunately, when the second man sang, his voice was so hoarse that the goblins got upset. They doubled his hump. The second man vowed never to be greedy again. Moral of the story: never be greedy.